Hello, hello, and welcome everyone to our final chapter of our mindfulness in the culinary industry. This is our last chapter as we learn about how to make strawberry lemonade while keeping allergens in mind. So when you start off cleaning your fruits and vegetables, all you have to need is to use a little bit of soap. Soap and water is fine. As you see here, I'm washing my lemons. I'm also washing my strawberries. But what are food allergens? There are proteins in certain foods that can trigger allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Reactions can range from mild rashes and pain to severe life-threatening reactions like anaphylaxis, which is when someone is having a rash that could lead to a heart attack or suffocation. So keep that in mind while you are creating food for individuals, because when you do make food that is being prepared near any of the allergies, which are milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, soy, and sesame, these ingredients could spread even the smallest amount onto a cutting board. That's why you're supposed to clean your cutting board, as we learned a few weeks ago about cross-contamination. Anything can get into your food. Now, this spot right here, when you're making the strawberries for the strawberry lemonade, cover them in sugar, put them to the side, and forget about them. A little bit of juice is going to come out of mine. The longer you wait, more juice is going to come out. And that's what you're looking for when it comes to the strawberries. As you can see, a little bit of juice, and I'm going to pour that in. Now, let's continue to learn about allergies. Why is it so important for us to know about allergies? Even a tiny amount, like I was saying, could be detrimental to anyone in your restaurant. If someone says they have an allergy, take it seriously. Use different utensils or cutting boards or surf or anything that's not being used around the restaurant. If you are using something like nuts in your restaurant, be sure to put it on the menu. Now, you took the lemon juice and the strawberries and we blended it. And we're going to do my favorite thing, which I pour it through a sieve. You can use cheesecloth. And this takes a little while because it's going to drip real slow. But while we're looking at this, the strawberry juice and the lemon juice coming together, we're going to talk about how to prevent allergic reactions. Inform your staff about what allergic reactions are. When the staff asks if someone has an allergy, please have them repeat it and write it down and go to the cook and let them know immediately, because we don't want them to get sick. We don't want them to get hurt in any way. And that is the most important thing to think about when creating a non-allergenic place. So here we go. See how slowly it comes out of the sieve? If I had cheesecloth, I would just squeeze it. It would be much faster, but I don't have any more cheesecloth. I used it up while making the soup. Then you add 8 cups of water, and then you are done once you add a cup of sugar, and you do some stirring, and there you go. You have strawberry lemonade, which is my personal favorite around this time of year. So let me know if you have any questions, because this week you're going to take everything we've learned, all these recipes, and you're going to create it for one huge meal party for your friends and family. And let me know how that goes. And if you have any questions, like I said, email me and I will help you. Good luck and see you in the future.